Bookingcom Flights Honest Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. Bookingcom Flights isn't just a flight search engine. You won't believe how it integrates hotel and flight booking into a single experience. Most people get this wrong by thinking it always guarantees the lowest prices, but the surprising truth is that Bookingcom focuses on convenience, transparency, and flexibility rather than always beating every competitor on price. Pricing depends on the airline and route, just like other platforms. Bookingcom does not add extra fees, but prices fluctuate with demand. You won't believe the benefits beyond price: free cancellation options, bundled deals with hotels, and the ability to manage all your bookings in one account make the platform extremely user-friendly. Most people get this wrong by only comparing per ticket costs. They miss the time saved and risk reduced through flexible booking options. For travelers, the real value comes from convenience. You can compare multiple airlines, receive instant confirmations, and manage refunds or reschedules through a single interface. For example, business travelers often save hours of coordination, while families appreciate the ability to secure flexible tickets without jumping between sites. In conclusion, Bookingcom Flights pricing is straightforward, with no hidden fees, but the real value is in the platform's flexibility and convenience. By considering travel needs, cancellation policies, and bundling options, you go from zero to pro in understanding what you get for your money. It's more than a flight search, it's a full travel management tool.